Hello there, I'm Barry Wells of barry-wells.com, and this is part 7 in the video series I'm creating, the Newbies Guide to Editing and Uploading Their First Website. Okay, we're going to be creating payment buttons in this video. So what you will need open is the info store record, which is this one, or the relevant record if you're using a different website, or the spreadsheet, because I said do it on either a notepad or a spreadsheet. Okay, minimize that, and the HTML editing software with the order now page or order page open. Okay, or if you're using a different website, you need a page open where you're going to be inserting a payment button. Okay, now there are some areas to edit, so I'll quickly show you how to do that now. Highlight the text, change the color, because you can see that's a strange color, to make it stand out. Now to change the color, come up to the capital A, click the arrow beside it and select the color that you desire. Okay, while it's highlighted, type in PayPal. Okay, and that's that done. Alright, now as I said here in this record, you can charge your own price. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to amend the prices on the page now. Okay, right, Jim's eBay Secrets. Okay, it's currently $14.95. We're going to change that to $9.95 for this example. Okay, you would highlight the text, come up here to Format, select Font, and select Strike Through in the effects. Okay, click OK, Apply, then OK. Then click right next to the V. Okay, so you don't carry over any of the formatting from this area here, which has got the line through it. Okay, and type in the desired price that you're going to put. In this case, $9.95. Add a space. Then highlight just the $9.95 and the $sign. Okay, change the color by coming back up here to the capital A and select your color. Luckily that said red, so I know what it was. Click the B to make it bold and stand out. Okay, and then click away. Okay, and that's done that. Right, now we're going to go to PayPal, where we're going to create a button. Okay, now if you're using My Digital Dispatch, you do not need to add an email address here. Okay, because My Digital Dispatch, where it logs onto your website, it works independently of Outlook Express. It doesn't need it. Okay, so for Outlook Express, come to My Account, click on it. I can't do it for security reasons. Come along here, somewhere around here, it will have Profile. Hover over that and you'll get a drop down menu from which you should select Add Email Address. Okay, and then add the email address that you are using, the new POP3 one for your Outlook Express. Okay, when you've done that, sign up to become a merchant, and all you do is simply click Merchant and agree to their terms. Okay, it's all pretty simple. And then once you've done that, come down here to Buy Now buttons and click. Okay, click here, Create New Button. I'll pause this, shall I? I'll pause the page while it does that. Okay, we're back on the page. Okay, we are selecting payments for products. We do not wish to add to cart. We do not wish to make an add to cart button. We want a buy now button. Okay, so make sure that this button here is checked. Item name. Come back to your record. This is Jim's eBay Secrets we're working on. So highlight just that text, right click and copy. Back to PayPal. Paste in Jim's eBay Secrets with the little dot you see in item name. Type in your current your price, which in this case was $9.95. Select the currency that we're using. In this example, I'm using United States dollars, USD. We do not wish to customize the button, so just leave these bits alone. Postage, there's no postage, it's a download. Transaction notifications. Okay, check this bottom button. Okay, so it's got a dot in it. come over here to this arrow and select the email address that you have just added to your account, okay? So that when there's a payment made, it will notify you, transaction notifications will go to that email address, okay? Go down to the third section, Customize Advanced Features, and click. Okay. Do you want to let your customers change the order quantities? No, you don't. Can your customer add special instructions in a message to you? No, they can't. Okay, it's a download. Do you need your customer's postal address? No, you don't. It's a download. Right. Take your customers to this URL when they cancel their checkout. For this, I would recommend that you take them back to your main website, okay? So again, just go back to the info store record, highlight the address, click copy, minimize, check this button, click in there, right click and paste, okay? Check the next button and it says take your customers to this URL when they finish their checkout, okay? This is where you enter the thank you page, Jim's eBay Secrets. Make sure you get the right one, because the last thing you want to do is take your customer to the wrong page. You want this so it's all automated, right? So highlight the text, click copy, minimize, right click, paste, okay? Oh, I unchecked that somehow. Okay, make sure that that's checked. I just clicked in the background and it unchecked, okay? So don't click in the background, okay? Just make sure it is checked when you're scrolling down. Okay, click create button. See this text here? Right click upon it, select all, right click again, copy. Come back to your HTML editor, okay? See where the mouse is, or the cursor is here, okay? I would delete this text, highlight it, delete. Make sure your cursor is flashing here, okay? Come down here to code, on the bottom left, click code, okay? Don't be put off by this text, okay? But please do not click on it, okay? Come up to edit, click, paste, click. You see there we've just pasted in form, action, PayPal, hosted button ID, okay? And there's the values of it, okay? Click preview. And as you can see, there's the button, okay? Now you need to repeat that process for every item you are selling, okay? On this example, they're all on one page. On other websites, you may have 20 or 30 pages, okay? You might only have 5, depending on the amount. But you need to do this for every product there is, okay? From the info record, just work through them one at a time, okay? And come to your other record and correct that to a yes, okay? Right, make sure you save your work after every time. You would simply click File and Save, okay? Thanks very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'm Barry Wells of barry-wells.com. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye now.